So this is last in, first out, Lifo. And we'll start with periodic and move on to perpetual. So Lifo periodic started out with 16 units, sold 11, 5 left. Which 5? Last in, first out. So if we sold 11, we sold all of these, most recent ones, and we sold some of those, and we are left with the beginning purchases as our ending inventory. So what do we have left? We've got 5 units left. It would be all of these, the 3 at 10, and it would be 2 of these at 12. So our ending inventory under Lifo is 54. Okay, our cost of goods sold, we had 196 available. This is our ending inventory, so we must have sold the rest. Your ending inventory and your cost of goods sold should add up to what you had available, right? Because available was either sold or we've still got it. Okay, so the other way to double check this to make sure that you're correct, and it may make more sense to you to do it to begin with, you can also compute the cost of goods sold by saying, okay, we sold 11 units, we sold 3 at 14, we sold 6, and you'd work it back that way. You could say, okay, we sold, start over on this side where it makes more sense. If you want to do it that way, we sold all 5 of these at 14 because this is your last in, first out. And if we sold 11 altogether, then we must have sold 6 of the ones at 12. So you can sort of do, this is what we have left, this is what we sold, and it should always add up to the 196. Okay, so now let's look at the more confusing, this is periodic, let's look at perpetual. It's the same setup as for FIFO, except it's going to be a little bit different when we come to our layers, how we treat them. So February 1st, we bought the 3 units, here's our balance. We sold 2, there's only 1 layer, so it had to be one of the ones at 10. Here, we buy the 8 more units at 12. So now we've got 2 layers. When we get to this sale of 6 on February 15th, which 6 did we sell? Well, we sold the most recent items. Last in, first out. We sold 6 of the ones at 12. That's the most recent layer. This is the older layer. So we sold 6 at 12 for 72. So what's our balance of inventory? Well, we still got the oldest layer, the one at 10, and we got 8 minus 6. We got 2 left at 12. Okay? Have to do a few of these to kind of get how they work. Okay, so on the 20th, we buy 5 more units at 14. So now we have 3 layers of inventory here. We've got the oldest layer, 1 at 10. We got 2 of the $12 ones, and now we've just bought the 5 at 14. So, on the 26th, when we sell 3, which ones did we sell? Well, we sold the most recent ones. So we sold 3 at 14. So what are we left with? We got all of these. We got the 1 at 10. We got the 2 at 12. And then 5 minus 3, we've got 2 at 14. So our ending inventory under perpetual Lifo is 62, okay? So that takes you through those. The next thing, and then you can go on and compute your cost of goods sold and your gross profit. Okay. What I'm going to do next will be a video on the how to do Lifo and FIFO when you're just doing it in units and not dollars.